Hello, my name is Harshita Rahangdale and I am basically from Nagpur, Madhya Pradesh. And after my graduation, I was looking for job in IT sector and I got to know about Evision from one of my friend and after searching and researching about Evision, I joined their IT internship program which is of 45 days and in these 45 days they make you understand different topics related to networking, CCNA, ITIL, Windows Server, Windows administration and many more. They not only provide you theoretical knowledge but also provide practical knowledge, so that makes you to understand each and everything deeply. And I am very grateful to the faculty which includes the Rahul sir, Prince sir, Apurvo sir, Vibhushan sir. They helped you a lot. They are very supportive and cooperative. And after they covered all the topics, they provide mock sessions for interview. So they help you a lot in interviews, so that you can stand out better in the interview. And yes, if you got selected, there is a placement team in Evision and placement team in Evision and they support you throughout your placement from selection to get offer letter. And in Evision placement team, Priya ma'am helped me a lot throughout my placement process, and my HR Anamika ma'am is very supportive and they helped me a lot throughout my placement. And after joining their 45 internship program and their support, I got selected in HCL Tech, and I am very thankful and grateful to Evision for this opportunity. Yeah, thank you.